Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today's special dish is Payesh, which is a sweet kheer, but we are not using sugar here. We are using jaggery and dates. So let's check out the ingredients and enjoy this beautiful Payesh recipe. And here are the ingredients of Payesh. So this is 1 cup of basmati rice. I have washed it 2 to 3 times and soaked it, and then now it's dry. Like I kept it for about an hour. You don't need to keep it make it dry, but it's good. So just crush it with your hands just like that, and you will see that the rice grain is broken into a couple of pieces. Taken 2 cups of milk. Milk quantity I might increase a little bit, so let's see how much we need at the end. I have a bunch of dry fruits here: pistachio, cashews, soaked almonds, and some raisins. I have 1 bay leaf, 3 green cardamom, and 1 small cinnamon stick. This is green cardamom powder. Dates, I've soaked them for about an hour now, so I'm going to grind them and make it smooth paste along with the jaggery. So this jaggery is, I've taken half a cup of jaggery right now because the dates have its natural sweetness. So once I mix the jaggery with dates and make a puree, we will have a good sweet element in there. So let's get started with making the payesh. Alright, so get a clean pot and add 2 cups of milk. We are going to bring this milk to boil. I'm adding some more milk. This is about half more cup, so 2.5 cups. Let's bring it to boil. Alright, so I'm also going to add the bay leaf, cardamom, just press it open, and cinnamon stick, just for the beautiful flavor. Keep stirring in between. We need to bring this milk to boil. Alright, so these are the seedless dates, soaked dates. So I've added half cup of water while soaking. So just add some of the water to make a smooth paste. So let me grind it. Alright, so you must be wondering why I'm doing the dates mixture. One is we are not adding any sugar in this recipe. So we need some natural sources for sugar. Let's substitute for sugar. And other thing is, it's a Bengali dish, and in typical traditional way, they have the Nole gurer, which is the dates or the palm jaggery, which we do not have. I do not have here. So I'm using the jaggery powder from the store and adding the dates along with that. So it's also called Khejur Gurer. So I'm just going to add the jaggery in the dates mixture and try to get the smooth paste out of it. And now, as you can see, the beautiful smooth dates and jaggery paste is ready here. So this is all we are going to add as a substitute of sugar in the payesh. Alright, so our jaggery and dates mixture is ready. Let's check out our milk. So I see the cream is forming here. We call it malai. And milk is boiled. Now we are going to get this soaked and dried rice, basmati rice. This is almost 1 cup of rice. So I'm going to add it and we are going to cook the rice in this milk, and we are reducing this milk quantity to almost half. So the thickness of the payesh or the kheer is up to you. You can have it as thick as you want, or if you want just a little liquidy runny kheer or payesh, you can just get that consistency by adding more milk. So right now we are just going to stir it well, and stir it occasionally as well, because we do not want any milk to get to the pan and burn. Cook this covered for about 2 to 3 minutes so that the rice grain cooks faster. So my flame is medium low. Alright, so it's about 7 to 8 minutes of cooking this rice. I had to add 2 more cups of milk, so total 4.5 cups of milk I have added at this point, because as I said, like as per the rice consistency, it takes time to cook, and as well as it soaks up the milk. Alright, so I have turned off the heat right now, and I'm trying to cool this off for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to remove all these whole spices that we added before, because they are done with their job of flavoring. So we're good now. Just remove them. Cardamom, you can keep it if you want, but bay leaf and cinnamon stick, you can remove that. So I'm going to keep the cardamom. And as I said, at this point I have turned off the heat, because sometimes jaggery and milk doesn't go well, so trying to cool this off, and then going to add some jaggery and dates mixture. In the meantime, you can add some dry fruits. Of course, I'm going to keep some for garnishing. Give that a good mix. For rice kheer, you can add sugar, half cup of sugar here, and that becomes a rice kheer, and you can serve it cold. But in this case, in payesh, we are adding jaggery and date mix. Let's add half of it and mix it. It will turn a little brown, and that's the real texture and color of payesh. Remember, in this recipe we have no sugar added. And the cardamom powder, just for flavoring. This is optional because we already have the cardamom pods in that mixture already, so you can skip this step. Now, as I said, I have added only half of the mixture. Alright, let's add some more. Alright, and this is our payesh, totally ready. Just garnish it with some more dry fruits and let it cool off for about 15-20 more minutes. It tastes good when it's at a normal temperature or chilled temperature, and it tastes even better the next day. So you can try this recipe and let me know in the feedback section how do you like this. And here is our payesh, totally ready. Let's serve this. Get this beautiful light brown color. garnish this with some more dry fruits. And look at this, how beautiful this looks. Beautiful sweet delicacy payesh is ready. Let's enjoy this now. Isn't that so easy to make? Instead of sugar, just simply add jaggery and dates. More natural sweet dish. So enjoy this payesh recipe, and in any festivity or anytime during the weekdays or weekends. So simple, so easy, and yet healthy recipe. So I'll say bye to you now, and see you next time in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.